Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore 5 legitimate ways to make money online. Whether you are looking to supplement your income or start a full-time online business, these methods have proven to be effective. So, let's dive right in. Method 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking various services. If you are a talented writer, graphic designer, programmer, marketer, or have any other valuable skills, freelancing could be perfect for you. Simply create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects that align with your abilities. Method 2. E-commerce. If you've ever dreamed of running your own online store, e-commerce might be the way to go. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy make it easy to set up your store and reach a global audience. You can sell physical products, digital downloads, or even offer dropshipping services. Find a niche you're passionate about, source quality products, and start building your online empire. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. Sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction, and receive a unique referral link. You can then promote these products through content creation, social media, or email marketing. When someone makes a purchase using your referral link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Method 4. Online courses or e-books. Do you have specialized knowledge or skills that others would love to learn? Consider creating and selling online courses or e-books. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad allow you to create and sell educational content to a global audience. Whether it's photography, web development, marketing strategies, or personal development, there's always a demand for quality learning materials. Method 5. Content creation. Last but not least, content creation can be a rewarding way to make money online. Whether you prefer blogging, vlogging, or podcasting, you can build an audience and monetize your content. Platforms like YouTube, WordPress, or Patreon offer opportunities for advertising, sponsorships, or even offering exclusive content to your loyal followers. Remember, consistency and providing value to your audience are key. And that wraps up our video on 5 legitimate ways to make money online. Freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses or e-books, and content creation can all pave the way to financial freedom and flexibility. Find the method that suits your skills and interests, put in the effort, and the rewards will follow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, happy online earning.